and welcome back to my holiday organizing series where I upload organizing tips daily to hopefully help you achieve just a little bit more organization during your holiday season. Now, first off, I want to apologize because yesterday I did not get a video uploaded. And if you've been with my channel, you have heard me talk about how my dear old Mac, which is 8 years old, it has been trying its hardest to edit these videos and get them uploaded daily. And this task has been a bit overwhelming at times, which is why I'm getting this monster. But 2020 being what it is, one of the components needed for my new computer, it is on back order right now. So we are waiting eagerly for when that arrives so we can give this little Mac a break. So anyway, I do apologize for the delay. So in today's video, I want to share with you some strategies I used when money was a little bit tight when my kids were younger. And in 2020, with this pandemic, everybody is feeling the hurt right now. And I've heard a lot of people saying they just don't know what they're going to do for Christmas gifts this year. Now, when my kids were younger, money was extremely tight and I had to get very creative about Christmas gifts. And so what I wanted to share with you was some of the things I used to help make it a lot less noticeable to my children while still being able to enjoy the gift-giving spirit of the season. So if your budget is a little bit tight this year, look for gift sets that you can divide up and make individual gifts out of. It will not only make the gifts under the tree seem like a lot more, but your budget won't take as much of a beating. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. I went online to walmart.com and I found this Kid Connection Power Tool Play Set. It has 24 pieces in it. Now when my boys were little, I literally bought a set almost identical to this. And what I did was I broke it open and I started grouping. This has 24 pieces. I would have made 4 gifts out of that. I would have put 6 tools in each gift. And I went to the dollar store and I found really inexpensive gift bags and gift boxes. Some of them were 2 for $1. So I would wrap them up like that. But honestly, for $15, you'd have 4 gifts for your child. The kids will really love the extra packages to open up. So the kids are happy and that makes you happy. Now, one kit I got for my daughter was actually a little kitchen set. So I checked on Walmart's website for a similar set, and I found a 13-piece kitchen set with pots and all sorts of spatulas and stuff like that. For a 13-piece set, that would be a minimum of 3 gifts under the tree once I separated them. Or if you have a child that's into trucks and things like that, I happened to find on Walmart they had a John Deere 6-inch sandbox toy vehicle set, and it had a dump truck and a tractor vehicle. Again, I would take that package, divide it into 2. So I'd be getting 2 gifts for $9.97. Or if your child's into music, they have all sorts of toy music sets that you can look at. I'm looking at one here for $12.89, and it has 5 different pieces. That would be 5 separate gifts under the tree when my budget was tight. Again, check the Dollar Tree out for their gift bags and their gift boxes. They have all sorts of things to help you package them up and make them look absolutely fantastic to your children. Now, if you have adults on your gift list this season, again, you can try looking at gift sets for them as well. For men, they have toiletry sets, or I went on Amazon and I happened to find it's a beard growth kit that they had. Now, if you have someone with a beard in your family or who is trying to grow a beard, this kit costs $20, but it comes with a beard wash, a beard conditioner. Now that's what I've grouped together. Then it also comes with beard oil, beard balm. I'd group those 2 things together. It comes with a fine comb, a regular comb, scissors, and a brush, and a shaper template. You can easily get 3, maybe 4 separate gifts out of this one kit for $20. Now, if you're looking for someone who likes to have their nails done, I went on Amazon and I found this pedicure kit. It says it's a 20-in-1, so it's got 20 items. So I would take a kit like that and I would probably group all of the little emery boards together as one gift. Then I would probably take the little nail brush and the little thing you put between your toes, that, and the little clippers probably in another, and then I'd probably group the skin buffers all together. So that would be 3 gifts for only $11. You can't beat it. And in addition to that nail kit, I would probably go look for some nail polish to go with it. And I found on Amazon here, they have a 12-piece set that I would probably create 3, maybe 4 different gifts out of those 12 bottles of nail polish, okay? And that goes for $15 for the 12 bottles. Again, 3 to 4 gifts for $15. Not a bad deal. So check out those gift sets and separate them into individual gifts. It'll help if the budget is tight, and it'll make the gift pile under the Christmas tree look a lot fuller. Okay, now what do you do if your budget is even too tight to afford some of these kits that I talked about? Been there, done that myself. One Christmas, I actually made these coupon books for my kids. Each one of them got their very own book. These were such a hit with my kids. This is actually my daughter's. She actually kept 2 years worth of them. I told you, money was tight when they were little. And she loved them so much, and it created such a great memory for her, she said, that she's actually kept 2 years worth of the coupons. And the things that I would offer in these coupons are like for redeeming a 45-minute game with mom. I don't know if it can be, seen clearly, but I actually put little boxes at the bottom where they could check off. And this, so she got not just one game, 45-minute game, but she got like 10 times that she could cash in this, and I would just fill in the box once we did it. It's the gift that kept on giving throughout the year. I'd also offer things like redeem to earn an extra treat after dinner. And again, she had 10 different times she could do that. I gave coupons for extra time on their gaming systems when they were young. I gave them coupons for sleepover nights. Here's a coupon I gave them for exemption from their laundry that week. Now, I gave them considerably less options to do that one, okay? With 3 kids, if all of them called in this laundry exemption, I had a lot more work that week. Things like that. Get creative, whatever your kids love. The possibilities with these coupon books are endless. I even gave my kids coupons for me to go pick them up at school and take them out to lunch. And they would have 4 of those they could use throughout the year. That by far was one of their favorite coupons to redeem. Not tooting my own horn, but I gotta say that coupon was pretty brilliant. And I gotta say, all of these coupons created such wonderful memories for all of us. So this holiday season doesn't even have to touch your budget. If you have young kids, consider these coupon books. They were one of the most fondly remembered gifts that I've ever given them. Okay, I hope this holiday tip helped. If you want even more holiday organizing tips, be sure to check out my downloadable PDF. It is loaded with 55 pages of organizing templates, organizing checklists, and loads more of my own organizing tips. I'll put the link to that PDF in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Take care, and I'll see you next time.